Hey guys, what's up, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Like I had said last night, tonight is tool night. So Tool Tech Tuesday, Tool Tuesday, whatever you guys want to call it, whatever we want to call it, let me know. I'm open to anything. Tool Tech Tuesday, I thought had a nice little ring, like I had said the other night. So anyway, tonight's tool night. So last night I said that I had some Olsa tools that I wanted to show you, or one's a tool and one's an organizer. I've been kind of going back and forth on what I wanted to do with my sockets. I have my sockets over here in these two deep drawers. This bottom one is metric and this top one here is standard. I currently have all these just little cheap metal flimsy clips. Although I do like these though, because if I want to take something with me, I can take this and a ratchet and just throw it in my bag and go. Just grab a ratchet out of my drawer and be on my way that way. No matter if I need a 6-point shallow, 12-point shallow, or deep wells, what have you, or if I grab this case. Now I do like this Craftsman case for the impacts. I'll leave that in there just like that, because they can just pretty much stay with me and go. Or, I don't know, I might put them on something else. Don't know. I looked at the peg style. Olsa has the peg style that sits in there with the numbers, or with the size indicators on them. They have a magnetic style, but I really like having them like this, just because I can grab and go. If I'm going to do something out in the driveway, if I'm going to do something away from the house, period. Like I said, they have a few different style of socket organizers. What I decided to go with was their rail system. What these are is a 3-piece set. They will come in, you'll get in the set, you'll get a half, a 3/8, and a quarter drive. You can buy these individually also, and they have two different styles. They have these little rubber ends that just slide off and on like that. And then they have some over here that actually have, these are locking ends that you have to pry off this way at a 45-degree angle with your thumb, kind of like that. How that pops up right there, and you just continue and take it off. A little hard to do it one-handed holding the camera, so you guys get the idea. Just kind of push up at a 45-degree angle, and it goes flying just like that over there on the floor. Anyway, that's how it goes. These are 100% customizable. They come in a multitude of colors. Even these little socket tabs, they come in a different color, I believe, if I remember seeing right on the website. What I like about these, you can do sockets with them, and you can also do Allen heads, you know, for a 3/8 ratchet or whatever. And if you wanted to, you can put them on. They'll go on both ways. They'll slide on this way, and you can turn them over and slide them on the other way, so you can have them on the back side, just like that. So if you wanted to alternate them back and forth, have one on one side and one on the other, it is entirely up to you. I went with the blue and a red for my own OCD. The blue I picked up for a metric, and the red I picked up for standard. What I like about this style here just a little bit better, although it doesn't have the locking ends on them, if I would choose to customize them to my length, whatever I want for the number of sockets that I have in my set, I can cut them off, and then all I have is these little ends right here that I can slide over and cover those cut edges if I would so choose to do so. I don't know that I won't want to cut that in. We're going to want to cut that in because it doesn't have the logo on it. But anyway, I don't know if I'm going to cut them off or not. I haven't decided with that yet, but that's just one thing I did like about this style right here, because it did have them little rubber caps on them, and you could just put that cap over it and hide that cut edge. I mean, you can see right here how flimsy these are. I mean, they're just really flimsy. Them pop off. I've lost sockets because sockets fall off as I'm walking through the yard. So I mean, these right here, they really hold tight. Yes, very tight. I'm very happy with what I have decided to go with. Once again, it's OlsaTools. Their link is in the description, and if you use that, or take that link, go to their website, and use coupon code CHAD, or discount code CHAD, all capital, my goodness, am I having trouble talking tonight. Use discount code CHAD, all capital letters, and you'll get 10% off your purchase. That's the socket holders. I wanted to do something tool organizing, and I have one other thing from Olsa that we're gonna go over too, and we're gonna do that right now. By the way, these are a new item on the website. You can go and check them out. I went and picked that clip up too. It's just, with two hands, it's easier to do just like that. And then, like I said, they're customizable. These come in, I think, about 5 or 6 different colors as far as the rail. And then if you customize them, they also come in different colors as far as your sockets, like I said. You can get them individually. They're 15 bucks a piece, or you can get a 3-piece set for 26 bucks, 25 bucks, right around there. So I decided to go ahead and get 2 sets, and that way I could decide what I wanted to do. I had plenty to do whatever I wanted to do with them. I've got a lot of sockets that need to be organized, or be something just a little bit better than that. The next thing on the list is another new item from Olsa, and what that is a screwdriver set. This is a 20-piece set. It is regular and precision. It comes with 14 regular screwdrivers and 6 precision screwdrivers and 2 Torx bits. So I was pretty excited to get this. This has pretty nice set of screwdrivers right there. You have all your Phillips. You got your standard flats. You have your 2 Torx. And then you have 2 precisions. These are a nice square shaft. They have a diamond tip on them to help with grip on the screw to prevent slipping. You get a T15 and a T10 as far as your Torx, and then you get some number 2s and number 3s as far as your screwdrivers over here, and then all your precision as far as screwdrivers, as far as Phillips and flat also. One other thing that comes in this kit that I thought was pretty cool is a magnetizer and demagnetizer in this kit right here. What that is if you take, let's see, this is a Phillips screw, put that in to magnetize it just like that, and then you're ready to go. That way it doesn't fall off unless you wave it around a bunch like that. And then to demagnetize it, it goes in this side right here, and then it's nothing. So that's, I thought, was a pretty nice set. Got a nice rubber handle for grip. So as far as screwdrivers go, I thought that was a really nice set. I mean, over here in my screwdriver drawer, which is my top one, I have a bunch of mismatched stuff that, I mean, I do have some Craftsman in here as far as the flat and the Phillips, but then that's my precision set there, and then just a bunch of stuff I've found along the side of the road. It's like, hey, wait, I gotta pick that up. That's like gold, man. Them are tools. You gotta pick those up. But really, I should just leave them away for somebody else to pick up, because I've got a lot of mismatched stuff like that. So in the weeks to come in this segments with the tools, I'm going to be picking out some other stuff. See if some companies want to donate some stuff to have it showcased on the channel. OlsaTools was gracious enough to send me the screwdriver set and one of the socket organizers. So thank you very much to OlsaTools. I do appreciate it. They have come out with a lot of new stuff on their website, so don't forget to go in the link in the description and check them out. And then if you guys are going to make a purchase, use coupon or discount code CHAD, all capital letters, C-H-A-D, and you guys will get 10% off of your entire purchase. In the past few weeks, they've come out with the screwdrivers. They've come out with a new torque wrench. They come out with like a little Torx bit with a little T-handle on it. So they're constantly coming out with new products on their website, and it's neat to see companies like that grow and develop and be bigger. I like Olsa Tools because I like what they stand for. It's a lifetime guarantee on their tools, and it's they'll answer you within 30 minutes of you asking the questions. Whether you go to Instagram and ask them a question on there, send them a DM, or if you send them a DM on Facebook, they're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, and you can go to their website and ask them a question there. Like I said, guys, Olsa Tools, link is in the description. I think that's going to do it for tonight as far as the first Tool Tech Tuesday. Let me know what you guys think. As I talk like the Matchbox guy, I go 100 miles an hour. I don't know why I'm talking so fast tonight, I just am. So, anyway, guys, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll talk to you guys later on. Bye-bye.